Hello, hello. Good people. How's it going? Hello, hello, hello. Man, it's day 6, man, and it feels like it's been a long time. It's a long time coming, man. It's day 6 of the 21-day challenge, man. We're just trying to make $1 here with a completely vibe coded application, man. We've been using Cursor AI. We got this application. Hooplink is what we've been working on. Everything down to the styling, the layout, the code base, the name. I don't know. No, the name I actually came up with. The logo AI came up with. The branding AI came up with. So today on day 6, we'll be finishing up the last two things we really need in order to try to actually do some outreach to customers to get that first buckaroo. So let's pull up the board here. So the board is basically dictating this project flow. So also these tickets were generated by AI. You guessed it. So pretty much we've been a subject to the all-knowing machine today. So I mean that's just how it is sometimes. Uh Last thing we want to do is we're gonna change. What's up, man? Thank you, El Imami. Appreciate that. Yeah, so pretty much right here, what we're gonna finish up doing today is we're gonna implement Stripe. So we're gonna implement a payment system today. So we're gonna start taking those subscriptions, accepting payments, and hiding some things behind a paywall. Um, yeah, that's pretty much the gist, man. Um, and so we also want to finish up this styling feature. So like have enable teams to be able to essentially, style their own pages using their brand colors. So that's on the agenda today. We'll be finishing that up. And then hopefully day 7 will just entail straight customer outreach and just, kind of trying to get that first customer. So without further ado, we're going to get in. We're going to jump right into it. We're gonna get into the code base. So let's pick up where we left off yesterday. So I'm just gonna do us all a favor and close like all these tabs to the right. Leave, leave. Let's see. Okay. So naturally, we want to go to GitHub, see where we were yesterday, what pull requests we were working on. So obviously, like when you're doing these projects, you want to have a way. You want to have a way to manage your source control. Um, Somebody yesterday asked me if I was using like Firebase Studio. I'm not using Firebase Studio or Lovable or any sort of like fully packaged type of solution. So I'm just using like CursorAI, React, Vercel, and Next.js. So we didn't have a pull request created for the code we were doing yesterday. So let's get that created real quick. Um, let's see. Get status. Branches up to date with style.tab. So let's create that pull request super quickly. Man, let's close all these windows, bro. This thing's giving me the blues. I'm gonna close all this. We got a lot open. Okay. Some of those are open on other screens. So this one we're not gonna close. Okay, that's fine. So the pull request, so the branch already is created and pushed. So to create the pull request, we're gonna come here, new pull request, and style tab, and create implement style tab. So naturally, we'll be implementing this tab right here, the style tab. So like when users click styling, they'll be able to. So right now it's a coming soon page is what they see. Um, so obviously you want to update the analytics there. Or sorry. So obviously we want to update this tab. So we got the pull request ready. Looks like it's deploying successfully and everything. So pretty much we just want to like go through, make sure the code's looking okay. I mean, make sure everything's still working okay from yesterday. And then also, I know we wanted to update those social links. So I think the app's already running locally. So I'll actually just pull that up here. So yeah, those are some of my custom colors. So what's QWN 2.5 Max? I've tried Gemini 2.5 Pro, not Max, but I've tried the Pro. It worked. I didn't really like try it. I mean, I've been liking the results from Sonnet enough. Sonnet 3.7 for for like what I'm doing. Um, but I mean, I've tried Gemini. Gemini seemed to work pretty well with Cursor as well. It gave me a wrong response. Like it could have been my prompt, but like so I went right back to Gemini. I mean, to Curse. I mean to Claude right after that. Golly, it's so many fucking um things now. It's fine. So basically, if I were to change, like, let's say I didn't like this pink, could change this pink to more of like a cool blue. So I still got that. Let me change it to a cool blue. Maybe something like this. Uh-oh. So I feel like, I mean, we can improve this page very soon, but for now, we're not gonna really worry about it too much. Yeah, and I think we should side our logo here. Man, I gotta check out that update to Gemini, bro. Definitely put that's something on my to-do list now. You definitely just put something on my to-do list. Uh, let's see. So basically, you want to update these icons here. Let's go to the landing page. So basically, this section here, I want to update. Add to chat. So we're basically gonna give chat a task here. Gonna give it AI the first task of the day. Let's add some additional context. See how that goes. Uh, but yeah, so we're gonna give AI the first job of the day. So let's go to dashboard preview as well. Let's kind of put that down. So same thing. We want to allow teams to optionally change their. So there's actually a UI of this that I kind of like. See something. We're gonna get a little inspiration here. Okay. So yeah, like something like this. So if I added, you see what I'm saying? Okay. Let's see. So this is kind of where I got like the inspiration for our application. So I'm trying to see something. Trying to see how they handle the social icons. Uh, okay. To change to display social pages. Social pages. Social pages on the website. This let's replace the unused logos within the team bio section with the social icons. With social icons. Team should be able to update their social. So the team should be able to update their social links to add specific social links and update them in the bio editor of the team dashboard. The bio editor of the dashboard. Okay, let's see. Let's see what that comes up with, guys. Okay, so we're gonna close out this because this is not ours. Yeah, mhm. Social links. We got YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, website, question mark. We got them all. We got them all. So we already don't like that it's making this that it's updating the handle input in that way, in that fashion. But we'll stand by. We'll stand by. We'll stand by. Da, da, bum, bum. And let's update the dashboard preview component to use our new social icons component. Okay, now it's updating the dashboard preview component. Let's see. Let's see. Damn, so we hate this. So it should not look like this, but we'll just give it a shot real quick. So that looks smooth. Not gonna lie, but like we just need this to be updated. What up, you live? What's up, MH? How goes it, my friend? How goes it? White. I wonder should that be blue too? Um. Okay, so we want to change this input. So this input is like visibly disgusting, right? So let's make it something more like so we don't take up as much vertical space. Um, yeah, bro. So today we'll be today we're finishing up like the ability for teams to like so I can change my color scheme here. So teams can like come in here. So like for example, this is the preview. So I can like change my color scheme to like say like this, and then if I wanted to go like that, like I could just change it around. Um, and so here's a preview, and then I could say okay, save colors, and then this is how it will look, right? And so if I view live, obviously it's not going to show until I deploy. So this is our old color scheme. So now if I deploy that new color scheme, uh, uh-oh. Wait, I think it's because we got a lot open. Let's see if we can close some of these. Okay, so now we deploy that new color scheme. We refresh, and you see it looks like this. So basically, giving people the ability to like personalize their page, and then we're basically done with that. And so right after we finish this, we're gonna implement Stripe, so we can accept payments, so we can start accepting subscriptions, um, and then that way we can start charging money for the application. That makes sense, MH? Did I explain that well? So here, I did I explain that well, bro? Indeed. Bro, what time is it where you are today, bro? It's got to be like, um, wait, what? What's game over, bro? Why is it game over? Shit, pretty clean. See what it did. Your mom arrived in your room. I feel like there's a hidden meaning there. Three 16 a.m. Damn. Do I have dinner? Uh, right now, bro, it's like m- uh lunchtime. It's like 12 p.m. It's the early afternoon. So no dinner yet. I got a fucking gallon of coffee. This shit's gonna be really hot. I need to pour this into a glass or something. It's gonna be super hot in this. Super hot, super hot. That's fresh. It's fresh. Okay. So I'll update the bio letter social links section to match the design in your screenshot. Instead of showing all input fields at once, we'll create a row of social media icons that users can click to reveal an input field with an add button for each platform. This is exactly what we want it to do. So maybe it finally gets it. It finally understands the task. And here we go. It does understand the task. So that's exactly what we wanted to do. Bam. So now let's say CBS Instagram.com/. So now it's added. So let's say YouTube. Say we wanted to add HTTPS that slash. Hmm. Okay, let's see view live. Bam. There are all the links right there. Okay, that was pretty good. How many people sees me? What does that mean? Like how many people view? Man, yesterday close to like over 250 yesterday. I am reading your chats, bro. Starbucks. I don't drink Starbucks, dog. I'm not a Starbucks guy. I said you getting mad, bro? Relax. I'm reading the chats, man. Maybe we gotta do button text. Okay, so this kind of works. I believe I can fly. Hmm. I believe I can take this fly. Bro, I love Indian food, bro. I like that butter chicken. I like tiki masala. I like um this isn't Indian necessarily, but I like shish tawuk. It's like Mediterranean. Um I like a lot of Indian food, bro. I like naan, obviously. I like what's it called? I mean, yeah, bro. I just love it. Absolutely. Oh, and samosas, bro. Samosas. Woo. Just thinking about a samosa right now. The samosa. We should like differentiate between button text and non-button text, perhaps. Marathon. I've never heard of marathon in North Korea. No. Okay, so we need to keep like all these texts like the same. Vatapav. No, I don't know what these things are. I'm not exactly sure, bro. I believe I can find uh, the uh, textile. Vatapav, bro. No idea what that is. Unfortunately. Let's do um, oh, we need upcoming games. Probably this one up here. Team media, then team highlights. Yeah, that'd probably help with like readability for sure. So, man, this is great. This is great. This is great. So now is a bread with batting a potato dip in the yellow matter I am fried. Is it kind of like a no, I have no idea. Is it kind of like a samosa? Better have Maine? Let me look it up. Vada Pav, huh? Interesting. So it's like a bread sandwich, like a potato sandwich. Indian burger, bro. That's sick. I might have to try that. My neighbors are also Indian. Maybe they know about it. Maybe I should ask them to if they eat that, they can make me some Indian burgers. If I ask my neighbors for Indian burgers, would they be like, "What the hell are you talking about?" Or would they know what I'm talking about? Would they know what I'm talking about, MH? If I said, "Yo, can we eat some Indian burgers?" Are you setting me up for failure? A six account. .com. Uh, I don't know any time and versus now where it's like a red on my yard. It's red. I don't want it. So as of now, we got all the tabs in there now. So analytics, style, font selection. Ah, we caught something, chat. That add button. Uh, uh, uh. Let's see if that actually works. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done with the styling. Like, it could be more in depth, but again, just want to gauge the interest of this application. And so you're using the MVP to make sure like we're onto something here. Otherwise, we'll take it behind the barn and we'll just be done with it. Um, Sweet. So we want teams to capture emails, all that jazz. Um, oh, and something else was brought to my attention. Like when I click this details, what should happen? So, um, da-da-da, ba-da. Okay. Travis Headhead? Never heard of Travis Headhead. Okay, so Travis Head, bro. Bro, I thought Travis Head. Dude, this dude plays cricket in Australia. What? No way. Are you trolling me, bro? You're trolling me, bro. Mukesh Ambani. Yeah, I think I saw you, bro. You're Mukesh Ambani. Wow, pleasure to meet you, sir. I searched, bro. I saw you're rich. Super, super, super duper rich. Okay, time to start accepting payments. Time to stop playing around. It's time to get to payments. I think we're good to go on this aspect of things. It's time to get to them payments. Yeah. It's time to get to the payment. The payment. The payment. You're a billionaire, bro. Mukesh Ambani, billionaire. I saw it, bro. My own eyes. I saw. I saw it with my own eyes. We got $0, Mukesh. But that all is about to change. Oh, my salary. Uh, well, so I was making 140,000 most recently, but I left that job. Right now I work for myself. I have business. Social links. My earnings last year I made more than $100,000, but I quit my job in 2 years ago. So I quit my job 2023, and I still made $100,000 in 2024 without a job. You want to acquire my business. My business is not for sale. It's a tech consulting, technology consulting firm. Um, it's not really a sellable business as of right now, based on the organizational structure. You have a lot of power, bro. I thought your mom was finna come in your room. I thought you said your mom was finna come in your room a minute ago. All right, so once this deploys, we can get started on the Stripe implementation, which I love so much. Not revenue. Sign in. 1 second, guys. Sign in. Yeah. Oh, shit. Mm. The ba-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da. Can't have y'all see my Stripe login, man. I would be a goofy. I can't have this happen. About a boom. Oh. I will give $120,000. My mom wearing a 1 million rupee suit, May night suit. Really? Sounds like a nice suit, bro. What the hell? 1 million rupees? That's like 10K, right? Damn. Yeah, bro. I mean, if you're giving $120,000 away, I mean, I'll take it. I'm never gonna decline $120,000. You own 15,000 GPUs? Why so many? Bro, that is hot. Also made with Elon Musk. Also have the Ocean Gate. Bro, what the? This man is sick. Dude, how are you like this? Bro, literally. What do y'all usually talk about, bro? When you call him? I'm saying, what do y'all talk about, bro? When you call him? You and Mr. Elon Musk. Sorry, guys, I'm just setting up my Stripe account off screen right here. Just so I don't accidentally give away any proprietary information. I collect my poop with the help of dollar. Wow. So, so you're one of those like asshole billionaires. So like you're like Bruce Wayne or some shit, or like no, you're like Tony Stark. You're like Tony Stark, man. Okay. Dang, so Stripe lets us set up a pricing table. So we're gonna set up a pricing table with Stripe. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Holy mackerel, that's fun stuff. Fun stuff. Who's ready? You want to give me $10,000 super chat? How do you do that, bro? How do I? How would I? Do you have Cash App? So would we create a pricing table? I'm just trying to figure out. Let's see. Yeah, this works. And it brought up trying to apply services. Um, here's a checkout and in quotes. Hoop link, 30-day subscription. Uh, My son's wedding was done last year. All superstar invited in my son's wedding. I want to Tony Stark, husband of $1 billion son's wedding. Why you are not reading my chats? I will unfollow you, bro. I'm reading your chats. What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Marketing feature lead. About 5 guys. I will also invite the Stevie. What does that mean, bro? Yo, MH, man, YouTube just gave me a notification. They put you in timeout for the spam, bro. They said because you were spamming, bro. No, I want to hear more about your Indian son, bro. Your billionaire son's wedding. Used to organize your prices, not showing the customers. And currently implementing the Stripe implementation. Let's see. $40. So basically, if they subscribe, like they do an annual subscription, they can pay 40 and get it forever, forever. Okay, so I think we can delete this. Then it's gonna be like monthly one time, monthly one time. Okay, boom. So we can say 1 year access, no subscription required. I want to say 1 year access, no subscription required. Da 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 da. Ba, 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 da, 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 da. So actually, we might not want to do it this way because we kind of want people to have like going now. 1 year access, no subscription required. $5 per month. Probably should be like 45. Wait, how do I change the price? Change the price. Can you tell me why it's trying that you won't let me change the price? Honestly, bro, we don't need that. We just need a payment page. Oops, that's for e-commerce. You say any products. Boop link. Boop link. Because they won't let us change the price. Play the page. Boop link. Description. Boop link. 1 year back. Wait. Recurring any amount of 5. No, we're not including. Taxes added. No price. So it already says per month in there, so we could just say Hoop Link update product. So subscribe to Hoop Link. Okay. So I think that's good for that product. Let's add another product. Oh, but we only want one product per link. Let's see. Wait, Stripe checkout payment. Yeah, Stripe. So I think, wait, yeah. So we want that Stripe checkout. I mean, we can do a payment link. I mean, it doesn't you know look that different. Like I mean, this right here gives us an immediate solution, obviously. So like this is a lot quicker. So we can just like bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, bing. Like we can immediately post this and start getting some subscribers today. Um, so less trustworthy. We'll say that. So a little less trustworthy. Uh, let's pull up the Stripe docs, shall we? Like, because I think we do just want to do like, I mean, we could just do payment links for simplicity. Bro, you know what? Let's just see if AI can do this. Um, let's check out page. Uh, XJS. Okay, these are test credentials. That was close. Hold on one second. Let's see. So, crazy thing is, all right, we're just gonna do the Stripe checkout page. That way we can have it like, it can look a little better than what it otherwise would look like. Um, so let's set up a Stripe hosted page. Uh, these are just our. Okay. So we'll get AI to do it. Um, so let's go ahead and push. Let's go ahead and get that new feature up real quick. So the new feature is the style tab. So that has been completely ready to go. Let's go ahead, squash and merge that, implement style tab. So that's gonna push that to production. We'll delete that, and then we'll now pull that down over here in the terminal. So we'll pull that down, clear that out. We'll say now, we'll say, hey, we want to implement a Stripe checkout page. Let's go to .local.m.local.mvp. Uh, so these are test keys. So like, doesn't really matter. If you guys want to fuck up my test environment, I guess that's fine. But I will find you, and I will. Just kidding. Okay, so pretty much now we can tell this thing to work on this new feature. So let's say get checkout dash B payment system. So here's the fun stuff. So we're gonna begin implementing the payment system. So let's tell AI that we we want to integrate a Stripe hosted checkout page so that we can accept new subscribers to the application. We want the Stripe checkout page to work simply and accept subscriptions and accept subscriptions. The checkout page should optionally accept one-off payments when a user goes to for our annual plan that does not recur. Uh, your job is to implement the Stripe checkout page. Stripe hosted checkout page. Okay. So we'll let the AI do its job, right? Stripe is not already installed. Machine. We shouldn't need a webhook or anything because since it's Stripe hosted, we don't need to bother. Uh, let's run that command. AI agents are getting hella crafty. Hella crafty. Hella crafty. So AI's cooking up. Wait, a webhook handler? No. Wait, do we need a webhook handler? Bro, I swear we don't need. We just need to create the checkout session. We don't need a webhook handler. See, chat's doing a little bit too much. Stop. Okay, so let's see. Because it started doing some weird. It started like actually like trying to do the full implementation. So it tried to do like this implementation over here, which we don't want that. We do not want that. See, so this looks like it's right. So it's creating an APA route to handle creating checkout sections. Okay. Bro, we shouldn't need to process any Stripe events. Reject all, bro. How do I reject? Damn it. I'm getting pissed off. We should not need to set up a server or any webhooks since the user will be redirected to a Stripe hosted checkout experience. We got to get down and dirty ourselves because if it doesn't get it this time, then like this is what we want. We want this. We don't want this. Okay. Bro, I literally just said we don't. So the files that it created, it did not delete. price. Yes, this is all it needed to do. It was trying to do too much. This is all it needed to do. Was it that hard? Okay, so it's jumping the gun and creating a pricing plan. That is something we wanted it to create, but it definitely jumped the gun. I mean, it went from definitely jumped the gun. Uh, so let's render the pricing component. Uh, on. So we're gonna call the page something like I don't know. Well, let's see. Admin slash upgrade slash dashboard slash upgrade on the phone slash page.tx. So we're gonna call this we're gonna call the page like the route upgrade. So when they navigate to this upgrade, so basically like we'll redirect them to this upgrade. Like if they try to do something in app that requires the upgrade, we'll redirect them to this page. So let's see exactly how that looks now. So we'll do slash dashboard slash upgrade, right? Uh-oh. So this is the upgrade page. So obviously, like we don't have all these plans. We're just gonna have two plans. So we're just gonna have like we're not gonna have all these plans. Oh, let's actually try to click one of these. Okay, so now it's fucking doing too much because we don't need any emails, right? Like, so it thinks we need to collect user email. That's what this box is here for, right? So right now it's doing way too fucking much. But the dashboard subscription button is probably something we are gonna need. So I guess clap it up for that, right? Fucking A. We kind of got something right. The machine got something right, people. So guess we're making progress, according to Sam Altman. This is called progress, guys. Progress. Okay. Bro, why the fuck? So basically now it's doing what I explicitly told it not to. Right? I told it not to create a webhook. Guess what it's doing? It's creating a webhook. Motherfucker. Bro, what's the issue, bro? Failed to create checkout section. Why? Why? So the AI is just like doing what it wants to at this point. We can't control it. Oh, thanks. Failed to create the checkout session. Get nice. Slash, where did they go? Slash checkout route.ts. This one. Okay, so let's see here, bro. What did the machine do? Hmm? Okay, that makes sense. So let's remove this shit. There will only be two plan options. Wait, oh, let's see. Right. So we have these two pricing. I think it might be just easier to store these as two different products. Not gonna lie. Okay, so need the price ID. So ideally, we can get like the catalog of products and then do it. But like, considering there's only two product types, like, it don't need to really be that complicated. Like, I could just Solution manager. That would be it, but it said provide the price ID anyway. Price ID? Each product has a unique ID. Unlike most Stripe resources, you can choose the ID of the product yourself. When choose that makes it easy to integrate Stripe with other systems you use. For example, if you're selling physical goods, you can use the internal ID from your own systems. For creating a checkout session, specify a price ID for each line items. Yeah, so pretty much we probably can create our own ID, and then from there, oops. Okay, so we're gonna go to page. We're gonna go to that payment, that upgrade page, right? So we're gonna change this to upgrade page client pricing plans. Okay. So we're gonna update the pricing plans. By the way, it gave us a lot of stuff we did not fucking want. Let's see. Dashboard. Okay, so added the pricing plans to our context. We're gonna say, hey, buddy, we want to programmatically retrieve the pricing plans. I want to programmatically retrieve the pricing plans from Stripe. Does Stripe have a client-side SDK? Nah, 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 nah. You don't want this. Yeah, this is more for server side, but if I can get, uh, I mean, we can just fetch it like naturally. What's the link again? Uh, or sorry, retrieve the pricing plan. Retrieve the products, different plans, Stripe API, v1 slash product endpoints, then render the associated price. Okay, let's see what it does with that prompt, man. The machine should be smart enough. Man, my knee is hurting, guys. Wow, hurts bad being in that position. I need one of those like you ever seen like them hammocks that people sit their feet in under their desk? I need one of those. Oh, I think we just got one product and two prices. Is how we should look at this. Like Stripe would probably want us to set it up as one product, two different prices. You got like a one-off price. That seems like the ideal way to set it up. Will we set it up that way? Probably not. Let's see if that actually worked. Bruh. Oh my god. This shit taking forever to load, guys. Let's pull it up in Chrome. Let's see. See if Chrome's a little more fast. Chrome is a little more fast. Okay. Upgrade. Fucking A. Chat gave us a broken solution. Of course it did. Of course it did. Of course it did. Bro, half of this code is fucking terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you, like half of this shit is like just god awful. Um, we're gonna just have to we're gonna have to reject all of this. Like none of this is like we're just gonna have to start from scratch. We're literally gonna have to reject everything it's given us in the last like we just gotta go back to square one, bruh. Square one. Like delete this shit. Continue. Delete it. Delete it. Let's see. Close all. Delete. Bro, I am the fucking administrator, motherfucker. Delete permanently. Let's get the payment cancel. Payment success, bro. Delete. Delete. Everything goes about Stripe, bro. We're about to fucking. We gotta do this shit from scratch. Hold on, there was an API thing here. Oh, I think we got rid of that too. Fucking A shit. Upgrade. Where's upgrade? Get rid of that shit too. Let's get rid of all this shit. We're doing some cleaning, guys. It's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna take a break real quick. Stretch my knees, man. My knee is like killing me. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. Just a jiff. What's up, Nightmare? Oh, I did mute myself, Nightmare. Yeah, somebody just hit me with a very important call. Give me a couple seconds. Okay, guys. So I think I realized the problem. Uh, we got a failed to parse URL from API shared product. So I mean I know what the problem is. It's like no, not that. Slash products. Oops. Wait a second. Slash API slash products. Bro, what? Um, this would never be a thing, but let's see. Next. Follow base URL. Uh, so this is because, so that error is because of the checkout. So price ID, references, price ID. Uh, let's see. So let's see, try guys check out. Uh, check out. Mm, flow price ID. It's not plan.id. Where's pricing plan? It should be. Let's see. So we got to use the prod ID to then get the. So we got to use the prod ID to get the price IDs. Apparently. Okay. I mean, price. So I'm pretty sure price. So need to retrieve the price. Given ID. Updated price. Year's price. The price object. Search price. Bruh. Is this the only way I can get a price? Is if I search them like that? I have to like search all prices, and then I have to like once I get all prices, I have to find the product associated with that price. Let me see something. So wait, this should be the default price, right? Let me see. So price dot ID. Can I do that? Okay. So we can say like price ID, and then it's popular pricing point. Shouldn't it like make me put that in there? Price ID like something. Um, okay, so how do we got that price ID? Should be able to go here, and instead of get price ID, we can do plan that price ID. Yeah. Let's see what that does. Well, to create checkout session still. No such price product. No such price. Eh? Need to refresh maybe? Hey, let's go, baby. Return the plans. No charges are made. Now come here and subscribe now. Nice. So that's how it looks on desktop. Yeah. On mobile, it looks okay. We can kind of spruce it up a bit, but it's fine. So we just say one time payment. We don't have to name this annual. We could just say one time. You say monthly. Let's. This is great though. This is a job well done. Man, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead, like, subscribe. We just implemented Stripe pretty much. I mean, like right now, I can just go ahead and charge my card. Now we want to add this, like we want to add like a features section to not only our homepage. So basically, we're gonna just be adding some more like marketing messaging to this page here. Like below, like this is all there is now. So we're gonna add some more marketing messaging, and then we're gonna add like a pricing section. So we're gonna add pricing to the nav bar. Not only that, when you click on pricing, that's gonna take you obviously to this page type of vibe, and then you have the ability to subscribe now. So you can subscribe, or you can do the annual version. 1 year access, no subscription required. So you got Klarna there, some other options. Perfect, 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 perfect. Cool, 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 cool. We had to you know, fix what the AI had done, but we got the AI right. You got the AI right. Man, I'm the idiot that didn't get food. I was planning to go for this stream for like, 6 hours today. Um, However, I haven't eaten a thing. And my favorite Chinese restaurant across the street is about to end the lunch special. So I gotta go get it while it's $10, bro. I can't pay like $17, man. It's inflation. And obviously we're doing this challenge, so like, you know. Yeah, but it is what it is. So we're gonna commit this. After committing this, we're not done with day 6, man. We're not done with day 6. So day 6, the rest of day 6 is going to be catered towards like kind of the marketing side of things. When we return, it's going to be catered towards, you know, trying to get that first customer. Because with the implementation of this, we now have the ability to accept payments to, um, so since we can accept payments in app, that means we can basically now get individuals to subscribe. So that will be our goal from this point forward. Get the first subscriber. Now, are there things we need to clean up about the app? Yes. Are there a few bugs or maybe things that we want to tweak? Yes. Are we still going to sell it though? Yes. So basically, that's what we're going to be doing when I return here. So if you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe, like as well. When I return here in about a couple of hours, I'm gonna return for like an evening sesh. So expect me to return around 6:30. So I'll go ahead and throw that stream up. And that's when we're gonna go in, dive into the marketing side of things for the rest of day 6, and that's how we're gonna finish out. So I appreciate y'all joining me. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And we'll be back a little later to finish the pricing and talk about some, because everything else is gonna be marketing language. So we're gonna work with ChatGPT, work with the AI to get some of that marketing language in there, and just further incentivize our target audience to do business with us. So that's where we get into the fun stuff, right? That's where we get into some of the hard parts. So I'll be covering that. Like, subscribe. See y'all later. Appreciate it. Tavares signing off.